Beautiful people of the world, welcome back to my channel. I am outside today because I wanted to show you guys my garden or my plantation I have here. It's not a lot, but you know, little by shortly we're working on it. So I wanted to show you, we just planted this one. This is my melon plant, and in the back here is my corn. I have all around the edges of it, and then over here I have my watermelons, which is that one and that one, if you can see it, and then corn. And over here what I have, I believe, is apples. So yeah, we're still seeing what that is. And what I have here is squash, grapes, and more corn around the edges. And I have rosemary, I believe it's rosemary. I found it already in the garden, so I'm keeping it because it smells really good. And I'm believing it's rosemary. And then over there I have another grape tree. And here I have another apple tree. And moving on, my husband planted the cilantro here because he knew that it was gonna look nice into the house, which is this is our cilantro. And yeah, and then I'm gonna move on to show you guys the rest. Look her, she's screaming over there. You guys see her? Do you guys see that Tinky Winky over there? Tinky Winky! And I think this is the biggest tree that we have here. And also we have onions. And by the way, this tree is either pears or apples. We're still trying to figure it out. So this is onions, what we have here. And then we have carrots, potatoes. And in this edge right here, it was radish, but I'm not sure what it is. We took all the radish out because they were not really giving any. And yeah, and this is an apple tree, but it got infected, so we're about to trim it because it's not producing any apples at all. And then here I have another squash, and I believe that's a watermelon over there. And then we have our tomatoes, as you guys can see, laying all around there. And then we have peppers, jalapenos, sweet peppers. I believe that's another squash, I'm not sure. And then we have the beans, the green beans, which they can barely show, which are this ones right here. And we have them laying around all the way to the tree so they can roll up into the tree. So we have a little bit of, pretty much a little bit of everything. Right now we're just starting with the garden since the summer just started. Pretty much, if you guys are from New York, you already know that this year has been the longest year for the summer to start. And by the way, my husband over there is preparing the boat because we're about to go fishing. And I think I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys can see our dilemma. He's fixing our little kayak so we can go swimming and fishing. So hopefully we can get some fish. And yeah, that's everything I have to show you guys out here. I have to clean my backyard, guys. I know it's dirty. Look at my princess. Who's that princess right there? We're living the rancho life. We're living the rancho life for sure. And I'll take you guys with me to go fishing at the beach. Yeah, qué bonito. So we have bad news. The cops came and we had the boat on top of the car. Apparently we need like a special permit to bring the boat inside the beach. So we're still gonna fish from the outside of the beach, you know, and I hope we catch some fish tonight. We're probably gonna be here for a couple hours, if anything. Yeah, so just keep tuned to see what we catch. I hope we have some luck. And look at this view, guys. Look at this. All right, guys, keep tuned. I caught my first fish. You can see it. Yeah. My first one. And I hope this is the lucky one. At the end of the fishing, I will show you how much we caught. I think it's getting the time where it is biting now. So, yeah, my husband's also fishing there. He put my sweater on because the little sand mosquitoes were biting us. But yeah, that's my first catch, guys. And by the way, if you guys have any questions, it's a pogie. So yeah, I'll let you guys see the bucket once it's full. We have to have some faith, huh? Look what it came on the fish. This humongous pogie. Isn't this beautiful? Holy crap. This is huge. Oh, I cannot take it out of the cooker though. My husband has to do it because yeah, it's kind of creepy. But I was already getting sleepy. And look at the bucket, guys. Well, you guys cannot really see it, but I think we have caught 4 fishes or 5. I'm not sure. But the last one was a good ass catch, that's for sure. Guys, I'm back home from fishing. We caught 5 fishes today. No como ya no. No, but we really did caught at least some fishes. I did enjoy it. The only bummer was that we couldn't go in the boat with the boat inside the water, so we could catch more. But we are overly excited, right, Manny? Yeah. So I want to say good night to you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys. See you beautiful people into our next vlog. I hope you guys like it. Say bye, boys.
Bye. We'll see
Bye.
you. You'll see you on the next day.
Next vlog. Say it.
We'll see you in the next vlog.
Okay, hold on. Wait, before you guys go, I want to show you guys my fishes. This is the biggest one that we caught. But we got dinner. Dinner is served. Take care. Bye.